This is our Recon 2000. It's a portable 2,000 watt-hour solar generator encased in a strong aluminum shell. What makes our Recon unique is the unique battery cells we use inside that allow you to charge and recharge over 2,500 times. It also features a pure sine wave inverter, allowing you to receive power similar to the output of your home's outlets. This output is essential for power-sensitive devices such as CPAP or other medical-grade devices. Let's take a quick tour of the hardware associated with the Recon 2000 generator. Within the box of the Recon 2000, you will also notice a small brown box. Inside this box is going to be your 2 recharging cables. One, an AC recharging cable that will recharge the Recon 2000 in around 2 hours from your wall. You also have an emergency cigarette lighter to XT60 cable that you can use to top up your Recon from your vehicle. Another option to recharge your Recon 2000 is using 200 watt Spectre solar panels. You can chain up to 3 of these together to get 600 watts of output that will recharge the Recon 2000 in around 4 hours. On your Recon 2000, you'll have 4 dedicated AC outlet ports, 3 of which are similar to what you may see in your home, one of which is a small RV port for plugging directly into a trailer. Another option is DC output ports. You have one similar to a cigarette lighter and 2 other barrel ports that you may use for output. Next to those are your USB-A and USB-C output ports. You have 2 100 watt USB-C output ports for running high energy devices such as Starlink Mini or fast charging your computer. You also have 4 USB-A output ports that you can use to recharge multiple devices at once. Next to that is your DC input ports, both XT60 and Anderson Power Pole, which are very common solar input charging ports. Those are both included on our Spectre 200 watt panel that was mentioned earlier. In order to use the actual device, you are going to need to power it on by pressing the power button. Each charging system is also set on its own circuit, meaning if I want to use the AC output ports, I need to press the AC power button. You should see an indicator on the LED screen indicating that this has been turned on. The same can be said about the DC outputs as well as the USB-C outputs. You must turn them on to charge. This helps preserve battery and ensure that you're getting the most out of your Recon. The Recon 2000 also features multiple grab points such as wide handles on top, a carriage system that is removable for easy mobility, a telescoping handle that will allow you to use these large wheels to move it with ease. The Recon 2000 weighs about 70 pounds, but can be easily moved using this carriage system. The carriage system also has a dedicated suspension system, so it can withstand drops of up to 1 meter, or more importantly, repetitive drops or vibrations that may occur during travel or movement. On the back of the Recon, you will notice the AC input, where you will use the wall plug to recharge directly from the wall. Your solar inputs are also on the front. If you have any further questions regarding your Recon 2000, please consult the owner's manual, which can be found on our website. If you need more assistance after that, please email us at support@darkenergy.com.